So the next topic is changing the color of the shape. In the previous video, we have seen that how we can insert a shape with the help of insert menu bar option. Now, after inserting the shape, we have to change the color of the shape. Now let us read this paragraph and we'll go for the live example. See what the first point is telling. Select the shape by clicking on it. Okay. Format tab appears under the drawing tool tab on the ribbon. Click on shape fill option in the shape style group. Click on any desired color from the theme color. The color of the arrow will change. There are many options in the same group like changing the outline size and color of the shape, adding effects to the shape like reflection, glow, etc. What does next slide is saying? See, in this particular example, we have drawn the shape of U-turn. We have to select the U-turn option. After selecting the U-turn option, you will get in the format menu bar option on this particular ribbon, you will get an option of shape fill. From this shape fill option, you can select whichever the color you want to add to this particular shape. Now let us see with the help of live example. See, now we have taken a slide. Let me remove this. We'll take another shape, whichever. See, we have taken this shape. Now what we have to do now? Now we have to change the color of this particular shape. Now what we have to do? Just select the shape. You can see the format option here. You have to click on format option. On this format option, you can see the option of shape fill. See, here it is the option of shape fill. You have to click on this option and you will get different types of colors menu bar opened here. So suppose if you want yellow color, you can click on yellow color. See, the color of the shape has been changed. So in this way, you can change the color of the particular shape. So next, move to the next topic. So that is inserting smart art. Now let us read this out first. You can add a new slide in your presentation by pressing Ctrl+M. That means the shortcut key for adding new presentation is Ctrl+M. Suppose if you want to make totally new presentation, so the Ctrl+M is used to add new slide in your presentation. अगर हमें नया स्लाइड ऐड करना है तो हम यूज करते हैं Ctrl+M का शॉर्टकट ऑप्शन. सपोज हमें नया का नया प्रेजेंटेशन ही ओपन करना है तो हम Ctrl+M की जगह N यूज करेंगे. Ctrl+N फॉर नॉर्थ. ठीक है, Ctrl+N का यूज करेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी हैव टू ओपन ए न्यू स्लाइड इन द प्रेजेंटेशन. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज Ctrl+M. So let us read out by pressing Ctrl+M to work on smart art. The smart art graphic is a visual representation of information and ideas. These are designed for better representation of text, to show an organization structure or relation between different departments, or to illustrate steps in a process, etc. So in next slide, this is the process. You can say this is the step how to insert a smart art. So let us read the first point. Click on smart art button from the illustration group in the insert tab. Again, we have to go on insert tab only. Second point, the choose a smart art graphic will appear on the screen. Now you can see this particular first diagram. On this first diagram, after clicking on insert tab, we'll get an option of smart art. The moment you click on smart art option, the second option will be open, or the second window which will be open in front of you is will be of choose a smart art graphic. From this particular graphics, you have to select any graphic which you are depending upon your work or the presentation which you are going to design. See, let me read out this. A single click on any smart art graphic will show the design in enlarged style along with telling the user its purpose. For example, select the horizontal hierarchy graphic from the hierarchy section and select OK. Hierarchy is a system in which members of an organization are ranked according to authority. ठीक है, हमने एक स्मार्ट आर्ट जो सेलेक्ट किया है उसका नाम है horizontal hierarchy section. So see, so this is your hierarchy. हम यहाँ से इसको सेलेक्ट कर लिए हैं and we are ranking the person depending upon their positions and or it can be anything. So let us go for the live example how we can do this. Again we will open another window. See, Let me delete this. So after opening, now what we have to do, we have to again click on insert menu bar option. You can see here insert menu bar option. See, and now I'm clicking on insert menu bar option. After clicking on insert menu, you get an option of smart art. You have to click on smart art option. See, now this choose a smart art graphic window has been opened in front of you. So these are the option of list. There are different kinds of smart art options for list: process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. Suppose if you want to use this option cycle, so we can take anything from here. Then suppose I'm taking this one. Click on this and again click on OK option. Now you can see, now you got the smart art option of cycle in front of you. Now you can see here it is showing text. Now you have to click on this text option and you can write anything. Suppose I am writing Ram. Clear है? अब यहाँ पे राम लिख दिया. And next we have writing some others name, for example Raj. And for here I am writing some others name, or you can write your school name, that is SPS. So with the help of this you can easily illustrate or you can easily demonstrate the thing which you really want to express. So what is the main use of drawing, or you can say what is the main use of using smart art tools in PowerPoint presentation? Because graphic representation will really, it will be an eye-catching thing for the viewers than the theory part. Theory part will be the boring part, but this kind of things will really be the eye-catching things for the viewers. So you can attract the viewers or you can attract the people towards your particular presentation by using these kinds of innovations in your presentation. I hope you have understood both the topics.